Today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell stocks on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. If you haven't signed up for it yet, you can sign up with the link down in the description and get $5 for free. The first thing you need to do is sign up for the app. Make sure you put in all of your information. It's standard for every investing app. Once you're ready there, I'm going to go through how to navigate the app real quick. This is the home screen, which is going to have your cash balance and most of your investing stuff. Next to that will be your Cash App card, where you can spend your balance. You can send peer-to-peer payments, and then you can see your recent transaction history on the activity screen. Let's go back to the home screen here. The big thing to note is your cash balance up here at the top of the screen. With the add cash and cash out buttons, you can send money back and forth to your bank. And then you're going to use this cash balance within the app. So you can see I have $72 in my cash balance right now. And what we're going to do is go ahead and tap on stocks here on the home screen. This is going to tell me my total investment in stocks, which is $1.17. It'll give you an overview for the day. You can go to a week view, a monthly view, a yearly view, all-time view, and see how you're performing. Also know that you can invest as little as $1 until you learn how to use the app, learn how investing works, learn how stocks work, and get more comfortable with it, and then you can increase the amount that you want to invest. We'll go ahead and scroll down here. It's going to give you some daily news that's relevant to you for the stock market. Below that, it'll show the stocks you own and your total investment. So you can see I've invested $1, I've gained 18 cents, up 18%, and the stock that I invested in is Coinbase. On the top right, you can tap details. This is going to give you a lot more detailed information about your investment there. We're not going to get into that too much. We'll stick with the basics here. Scroll down, you can see some categories. If you want to invest in a certain category, you can find more stocks for that category there. You're going to see the most traded monthly, the biggest daily movers, and if you want to learn a bunch more about stocks, you can tap learn more and check this out here. Now we're going to scroll all the way back up to the top. Notice the search bar at the top of the screen. You can type in any stock that you want. You can also search by categories, performance, advanced, all kinds of stuff here. I'm just going to type in funny stock. Crocs. So let's go ahead and tap on this. Up 4% today. You can see the performance weekly, monthly, yearly. Scroll down here, see some news relevant to this stock, learn more information about it, see the CEO, industry, number of employees. Below that, we'll see the share price, the market cap, all of this detailed information. Not going to get into that too much. We're just sticking to the basics of how to buy and sell. So I'm going to go ahead and buy $1 of Crocs here. We're going to tap the buy button. You can click one of these preset buttons, or you can tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and type in any amount that you want to buy. Note that you can buy fractional shares. Like I said, the share price is $126 right now. So we're going to get like not even 0.01 shares. But tap buy, tap $1, tap next. It's going to give us our order details here. Approximate shares 0.008, total cost $1, tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $1 of Crocs. You can see my balance is $1 now in the top right corner. Scroll down here. $1 invested, 0 gained. It's going to show my shares owned. Now let's go back to the main stock screen. You'll see I now have $2.18 and scroll down here. My investment's $2. You can see the two stocks I own there at the bottom. And if we go back to the home screen, you're going to see my cash balance is now $71. So you use this cash balance to buy and sell stocks. So let's go back into stocks. I'll show you how to sell. We're going to tap on Crocs. I think you might incur a small fee when selling, but you can see nothing's happened yet. I'm just going to tap the sell button. Sell all of Crocs. You don't really get an option if you have such a small amount, but if you have like $100 of Crocs or whatever, you're going to be able to select the amount that you want to sell. So you could just sell a couple dollars, you could sell $5, whatever. But since I only have $1, it's not really giving me an option. So here's our sell order details. Somehow the government gets 2% fee on this. Not sure how that's fair, but tap confirm to sell. Just like that, I sold $1 of Crocs to the main stock screen, $1.18 invested. Total investment's $1, and now we only have Coinbase. Go back to the home screen. You can see that 98 cents is now added back to my cash balance. So then if I wanted to cash this out, send it to my bank, I just tap the cash out button. And there you have it, how to buy and sell stocks on Cash App. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.